Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about my 7 best styling tips, and I have many more, but I will start with 7. So I'm doing this video for those women out there that are at their beginning stages of upgrading their overall appearance and their style. So I have a couple of tips that will help you with that. And the reason why I want to do this is because I definitely do notice a lot of women that may need help out and about whenever I go out. I definitely notice people that have told me like, oh, I wish I looked like that, or I wish I looked better. But these women just, the problem is they're not taking time to enhance what they've got. And to me, it's very easy. It's kind of like in my nature pretty much, but there's women out there that are definitely very pretty, but they just never wear makeup, they never style their hair differently, or they never like style their clothes differently. So I just have a couple of tips. Number 1, always wear earrings. So I always have some studs, and these are Tiffany's, and I always wear these, like regardless if I'm running errands, but I always want to look presentable. It doesn't matter where I go. So I just don't want to be wearing sweatpants, a sweatshirt, like a hoodie. That's just not me. I will always try to wear like a cute tank top like this and with a cute sweater, you know, and I always try to put studs regardless if I have my hair loose or in a bun. So I definitely recommend to wear earrings always. So it doesn't matter where you go. Depending on where you're gonna go, depending on what you're wearing, you can just play it safe and always have studs, or you can consider wearing some bigger earrings depending if you're going out and about for a weekend, meeting with friends. That will make you look cuter instantly. I would be very hesitant. The trend right now is a lot of gold earrings. A lot of them have kind of like that old money aesthetic, so be careful what you choose. You don't want to choose a pair that will make you appear a lot more mature than what you are. Or even if you are, you know, a bit older, you don't need to choose something that will go in accordance with your age. You can choose still something very cute and girly, but I just want you to be mindful of that. Number 2, always have clean hair. And this is huge because sometimes I just see a lot of women with greasy hair, and it's just better to have clean hair. And you can blow dry it yourself, and these are all things that you can do yourself. And if you don't know how to do them, you can just learn and watch tutorials on YouTube how to blow dry my hair, or even use a straightening iron. My hair is pretty straight. I just need to blow dry it a little bit, so I don't often use my straightening iron. And even if you have curly hair, you can style it in a really cute way as long as it's clean. And you can buy these cute little hair ties. I always have one here, and you can just put one of these on your hair and put it in a cute bun on the bottom, not too tight, and that will make you look instantly very cute. So I definitely recommend these, and I get these at Amazon. Regardless if you're wearing makeup or not, I feel like if you have clean hair and you style it in a really cute way, yeah, you can look instantly better. Your hair is your crown, so make sure you have the right color for you, for your skin tone, for your lifestyle, and make sure it's well maintained. So if you always wear your hair straight all the time, try something different. Try to curl your hair a little bit with a curling iron, and make sure to use hairspray so that can last a little bit longer. Next is be sure to moisturize your skin to have glowy skin. So I will show you a couple of products that I use to moisturize my skin. So what I do is kind of like moisturize layer. So I either put serums on, or this product from Origins. This is called the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. This is just so amazing. I love this product, but I cannot use it alone. So in the winter now, it is just so cold. You guys, it's gonna be like -15 degrees on Tuesday. So one moisturizer is not gonna be enough for me, at least. So I always use several. So I first apply this after my eye cream. And then I apply my Ultra Repair Lotion. So This is the body lotion. I do have the face moisturizer. It's just I'm using it for my camera right now, but it's this brand, First Aid Beauty, and also I've been putting this on as well. So this is kind of like petroleum jelly. So I bought this at my dermatologist's office. So this is a soothing barrier ointment. So this is for mega dryness and just to protect the skin pretty much. So I've been actually putting this on top of everything else. So yeah, and then my skin, it just looks like very youthful because I just feel like a lot of women just don't moisturize. They look super dry, you guys. So that is just quite an easy fix. And if you don't have a lot of money, just go to TJ Maxx and get a couple of moisturizers. Yeah, that's what I would do. Or if you have an HSA, buy these moisturizers with HSA. Next is get your nails painted. So you don't need to go out and get acrylics if you don't want to spend the money. You can paint your nails yourself. I did these last night myself, and because honestly, the last time I did my acrylics, a week after they fell off, just because I was cleaning my vanity, you guys. And my new vanity is kind of like that mirrored look. So I was literally using Windex with a little wipe, and then they kind of like fell off. And I'm like, great. I just blew up all this money for them to like just fall. I just don't feel like paying money for a mediocre job, so I just prefer to do them myself. So this is such a cute color. So this color is from OPI, from the Hello Kitty collection, and yeah, red is just the way to go. And this color is actually the one that I use when I want to grow my nails a little longer too. It will make you look more girly, cuter, and you don't need to choose red. You can choose any other color that you would like pinks, mauves. Yeah, there's just so many great colors out there, you guys. Another benefit of always having your nails done is that you look presentable. You look like you put effort to your look, and you come across as like that clean girl. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's all part of the aesthetic, like clean, put together girl. Sorry for calling y'all girl. I always call any women out there girls. Sorry, it's just a habit. I don't know. Next is going to be beneficial for all of you. It doesn't matter your age, if you're older, more mature. So pretty much, do not conform to your age and society. So pretty much, I don't care what age you are. You don't have to conform. You don't have to buy things and according to your age. So not everything, right? Not 100% of the time. That is very unrealistic. And what I mean by that is, for example, if you see a very cute bag and you think it's just super girly or too juvenile, I would consider just buying it, because probably you will look great with it anyways, right? And also, we have just one life. One day you and I will not be here on this earth. That is a reality. That is a fact. So why, if I like something, for example, if you want a Speedy, right, and then you want to put a bunch of bag charms on it, are you gonna really not do it just because you think you're too old for it? No, do it. Like, who cares, right? Who gives a crap? I certainly don't care what anybody thinks about me. I really don't. And you should take that approach too, because this is your life. And, you know, do things that bring peace to your life. If you've always wanted to buy a pink bag, do it. Do yourself a favor and do it for yourself. Don't do it for anybody. And if you have a significant other, or maybe somebody in your life that might tell you stupid comments like, oh, you shouldn't get that, like, oh, that's ridiculous, eliminate that person from your life if you can, or just totally ignore them and tell them to their face, like, that is a stupid comment and I'm not gonna listen to it. Literally verbatim, write it down, tell them. And that's something I definitely have done before in the past. I don't care. I tell people straight up, like, oh, whenever they tell me a stupid comment, I love, you know, being stupid right back at them. I will tell them, you know what, that comment is really stupid and I'm not gonna listen to it. Because at the end of the day, nobody knows what's better for me than myself. Another favor that you should do for yourself is search this person, Google her. Her name is Lisa Vanderpump. So she is like 70 years old, but she wears pink sometimes. She, you know, has different, she doesn't care either. And she looks fabulous. She looks amazing. So transform yourself to the person you want to be. You can definitely do that. So if you want to get something cute, if you want to get a cute outfit, a cute dress, a cute bag, just do it. Yeah, and whatever. Take a picture, take a selfie. Like me, for example, I turned 40, right? A couple of months ago. Actually last year. But the thing is that just because I'm that age, am I going to all of a sudden start, you know, putting more conservative clothes on 100% of the time and not wear a push-up bra? No. Am I gonna stop wearing pink? No. I'm gonna keep wearing pink. I'm gonna keep wearing cute clothes, especially if I'm going on a date with my husband. I like a happy mix, you know, a happy balance with everything. Moving on. Number 6 is wear white clothes. I feel like many people, or the vast majority of the people, look great in white clothes. It doesn't matter what skin color you are. And I know I make so many videos here and the majority is all white creams, but I just feel like it just makes you look amazing instantly. It makes you look like you're wealthy, like you're clean, like you got it together. Let me show you one example. I got this one literally like a week or two ago. This is from White House Black Market, you guys. I love that store. Love the quality. Everything is just so great in there. So I bought this sweater and I already got a lot of compliments, and it looks just so classy. Look at that. And look, it doesn't have any logos. This line here is navy. So this is navy, really cute. It has really cute buttons. So yeah, this looks absolutely great, and you can go many different directions with this. You can wear a skirt depending on the weather. Wherever you are, you can wear a long skirt, and you can wear this with boots. You can wear it with jeans, you know, you can wear it with a skirt and flats. I don't know, you can go so many different directions, but this piece right here, this is giving Ralph Lauren, this is giving old money. You know what I mean? Classy. It's giving, you have taste. I'm showing a sweater because it's really cold out right now. I don't know if I said this before, but it's going to be like -15 next week. And the last tip is layering, especially now in winter. You can wear this cute sweater on, and then you can put a cute puffer jacket on top, like a puffer vest. And I got this at Ann Taylor, and it looks absolutely incredible. So cute, you guys. You will look amazing. So layering is just the way to go now in winter, and it will make you look instantly amazing. All right, guys, so that is it for my tips today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my videos that I post weekly. Thank you, everybody. See you on the next one. Bye.